Oh yes, welcome. Present tense of allez, to go. Moribund, Murdoch. Française, crème caractères. Flashcards. Elles, vont. And we move back to the back. Je, vais, I, singulier. Tu, vas, you, singulier. Il, va, male, singular. Elle, va, female, singular. On, va. Oh, I should probably just say the English. That's the best way to do it. I'll repeat the French and then say the English. On, va. So, like, they singular. What is, oh gosh, I don't know. They singular. Go. Nous. Allons. We go. Vous. Allez. Y'all. You all go. Ils. Vont. The males go. The frat males. Fraternity males. All masculine. Male terms. Masculine terms. Put all the masculine terms there. Elles. Vont. Femelle pluriel. Alright. The females go. So, the opposite of fraternity. The sorority just go. Sorority girls go. Oof. Oh, to learn second, that's risque. But I do have a cheat sheet, so I guess it don't matter. Fuck that. Oh, okay, this is the helpful way to do it, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Vont. Female pluriel is just... Oh, I said it. Oh, wait. Whoa. He's full on confused now. Oh, okay, this is not the way to learn it. It's the other way. Vous. Allez. What? Okay. I'm doing a French commentary. You can sit down. Actually, I suck at...
Wait, where's the oh, that's the camera?
Yeah, here's the cheat sheet. So I look good. What's elles pluriel? Is vont.
I don't know what I'm looking at here.
Tu vas.
Tu vas.
So singular,
El
you
on.
go, bro.
El on va. Nos, allons. What is this? What is...
It's just conjugations of to go. Allez.
Allez.
Yeah.
What is the ch? What does that mean?
That's I. Oi.
Oh, okay, so that's then two is you.
Two is you.
Then this is them.
That's male, female, and then I guess like they, non-binary.
And then nos.
Nous is we.
We. Them.
No, that's like y'all, you all. So it's you plural.
And then this one?
That is male plural, female plural.
Oh, okay. Allez.
I'm on vont right now. So ils vont.
What does dans le mean?
Dans le.
In the. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Alright, what do I need to do?
My favorite French song is Talking Heads. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, it's that Psycho Killer. Psycho Killer.
Yeah. Whenever I watch a French movie, I hear them say "cascasse" a lot, and I'm like, oh,
come on, Anita.
Anita, come.
Oh,
Allez,
Vas-y. Prince. Take that.
Oh, she ran away. She's scared
I was getting
now.
violent, that's why.
Yeah, you scared her.
Oh no, she's coming back.
Let's do a little good cut, bad cut. Anita, come.
Hey, Anita, you better come right now, baby.
No, you can't do it at the same time.
Oh, okay. Well,
Anita, come. Come on in. Anita, come. Come.
Hey, Anita, hey, check over there, baby. Check over there. Check right in the horizon. That horizon, right between those two buildings. Oh, okay. You know, I didn't pause it, so this is a waste of study time, commentary-wise. Hi, Anita. Oh, will you move back? I don't know this. I don't know shit. Okay, va. On va. It's a conjugation. Je. That should be the easiest one, because it's ve. Ha.
You really stink.
Elle. It's also va.
Va.
Yeah, va. Elle va.
On is va.
Va again. Allons.
Allons-y. What does allons-y mean?
Allons means we go.
Huh.
Yeah. Or let's go.
Allons-y. Allons-y. Allons-y.
David Tennant style.
Is that? Yeah, he says that. And then Matsman has Geronimo, which was lame. Allons. What?
Practice.
Did that say?
Control mode.
Can I play with that?
Yeah.
How much was this?
It's $100.
Where'd you buy it?
Amazon.
How do you make it go out?
It's a flick.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's a genuine flick. It's wondrous.
And how do you close it? Just close it?
Yeah, it closes nicely actually, just with the prompts. You get used to it, I mean. No. I have to program it still with some IR remote. But I'm worried it's going to be different in France and Japan and everything. But I guess IR is... I don't know. I don't understand IR. What am I doing? I'm singular.
This is really cool.
L.
I like this a lot.
Tu. Va. Je. Vais. Elle. Alright, I'll switch it. I want to... Alright. Actually...